Okay.
It's crunched a little bit though.
Before we left, Ronnie thought he was being real smart. He tied his little trailer to a tree so it wouldn't blow away. It didn't blow away, but...
It kind of got bent on the top.
Yeah. And that's weird. Look at... Okay, there's the shed out there.
Just a second.
There's the shed over there. But look at all the stuff that didn't blow.
Oh, it cinched it to the tree.
God, it may spring back like a...
Yeah, it's going to. Kind of got bent in a little
I
bit.
think it's broken. It's still usable, but it's broke.
Yeah, it's usable.
It'll get used. Okay, let's go see what kind of damage we got on our house. We've lost some shingles. We lost all the skirting. But I can still get in my house.
And the limb that I thought was going to be the problem right here?
Yeah. We always thought this limb up here was going to be our problem. It didn't break.
Where'd this one come from?
Which one?
Out of this tree. Oh, that's that big giant limb right up there.
Yeah. Broke my bird feeder. That bird feeder's okay. That one will be okay. And somewhere over in that pile of stuff is, I don't think your brush pile blew away, baby, but I think you have a new tree on top of it.
Where?
Right over there.
Oh.
So, okay. Let's go in. It landed on top of the air conditioner. There's your barbecue pit. It's all bent to hell.
God.
That's our brand new barbecue pit. There's our garbage can.
And the air conditioner? Don't know about it.
Nope, I bet it's busted. Okay, turn.